Hi, so our consonants are divided into three separate blocks. We have a big block of like 30 letters over here, and then we have 4 over here, we have 6 over there. And these are divided into these sections because of some purpose. We'll get into that. But let's work on the first 30 or so letters right now. So what you do is you have 6 columns and 5 rows. And we're going to write it out right here, right now, right? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sixth one is a little different, so we write it a little to the that side. Right, left, to the right, yeah. Right, because I'm holding it this way. Alright, so we go down the first column like this, and the first thing you want to do is write in k, ch, t, th, and p. So you use your lips for the p, you use your tongue and your teeth for the th, which is a th sound. And for the t, you use the tip of your tongue and something a little behind the teeth, the soft palate or something. And okay, so I'm not really good at this. All right, I'm just trying this. If you have any questions, you might need to check this out with a pro. But hey, this is for beginners. You know, you could always go to a professional sometime. And the k, of course, is a k sound, and the ch is a ch sound. The k and the c is kind of in the same league if you think about it. Let's write it out. All right. So you have k over here, which goes down like that. Okay, you start every letter with you didn't see it. Anyway. You start every letter with an I on the left top corner. Then you well, for this one letter, you'll see a lot of circles in this language. Why don't we just open this book up? I have a really good resource here. Cheap, childish, but hey, that's how things are. I mean, all right. So that's a k. How do you start it? You start it with the I over here, and then you join it over here, and then you go this way, and then you draw this ass little thing, and you come back here, and then you go back the other way. So yeah, that's kind of a four-way point over there. You start from this way, go this way, then you draw this part first, come here, and go back, and draw this. And you'll see a few letters like this. You'll see the k, th, and the one of the n's that look like this. For the k and the th, you point this little to the bill tip down this way. The k has this as in the middle. The th does not. For the n, it's like a th, but you draw this little piece off. Alright. So you fill in. Okay, so you fill in k, ch. Bear with me. The t, the th, and the p. Like this. You go down on the first column, and then on the second column, you're going to find a stronger version of the first letter. So if it's k with a ka, the second one's going to be something like a kha, ka. It's got more force behind it. And then you're going to find a g, which kind of uses almost the same parts of the mouth that you use to pronounce this. But it's a little, I think it's supposed to be softer. I was gonna say nasal, but nasals is something else. Nasals are apparently this set or something. So it's all on Wikipedia. Just go check it out. So what you have is the k, and the g. So the fourth and the second, the even columns, second and fourth, are going to be a stronger version of the first and the third column. And the relationship between the first and the third column is, there is a connection, but I will not explain it to you right away because I don't know, I need to check it out. And the sixth column always has a sanyaka version of the third column. So if it's g over here, you're gonna have nga, which kind of has a, it's like when you write that little tilde accent on top of the n, but then we also have nya, as in tell me something that Capaño, I don't know. You know, you get that sound in Spanish a lot. We get that character from the Portuguese. So there you go. Also, I have this amazing sweatiness in my hands. Right, we'll talk about that later. K, ch, t, t, p. So you say k, and then you go k, g, g, nya, and then ng. Now the second one you go ch, ch, j, j. Okay, so I'm a little confused about these two characters. We'll draw them in later. And then you have nj. These few letters are rarely used in the Sinhalese language, so don't think about it. And you have t, t, d, d, and the D sound. So T and a stronger T, D and DH, and N. Yeah, you get the first N here, and Nd. Okay, so you have the, which is TH, a stronger the, capital TH. Yeah, these are like the capitals. Alright, so the, which is DH. Okay, so this would not be DH, this would be DH. A stronger DH. The, and N. The second N. So we have two N's here. This one is called, okay, you use the soft palette for this, and I have no idea what you use for this one exactly, but it sounds like this. N, and appropriately N. N, you gotta reach a little far back with the tip of your tongue to say the second N compared to the N, which is easier. I don't know if I did it right. Nd, and then you have p, no. Yeah, so you have p, b, and m. You use your lips for all 5 of these letters, and then at the end you have mb, the Sanyaka version of the B. So the Sanyakas are drawn in such a way that you have a little tear on the eye. So you have a little tear on the eye. That's how you draw the Sanyakas. 9 minutes. Alright, I guess we'll break again.